Let's talk about support. So, I mean, you just took us through a lot, right? And I think anybody who might have been on the fence or maybe wasn't even sure what this product was, if you haven't heard of NetSuite, okay, I may want to sign up. I may want to do this migration, but like, what is it really like after? Like, it's all done, and you mentioned before, most people just walk away. But that's not what the plan here is. I mean, the plan here is, and the way you operate and the way we operate, it's design, build, deploy, and now it's like, we'll support you forever.
Yeah. So there's different models. So first of all, NetSuite offers support as part of the standard product. So what's really nice there is it's 24/7, 365 support.
That's with NetSuite.
That's with NetSuite.
Right.
But there's really important differentiators. So if you look, going back to our friends at QuickBooks, they run Monday 9 till 5.
When they're running 9 to 5, good luck getting support from them.
Exactly. God bless. Off you go, right?
I'll tell you something really before you. Something funny. This is like 10 years ago. I'm sure it's different now, but I was actually troubleshooting something on QuickBooks. It was a Saturday, and we were closed. And I ended up I'm on the phone with them, and I'm laying on the couch, and they were on the server, and I was watching them work. I fell asleep. I actually fell asleep, and I woke up 2 hours later. They were still working, and they weren't even speaking to me, even though we were on the phone. That's what it's like. I mean, I'm not trying to poo-poo them, but at the end of the day, if you use QuickBooks, you know what support is like. It's atrocious.
It's atrocious. And then if you've done a Dynamics or something like that, and you've had a third-party integrator do it, which is the way Microsoft work, then good luck finding the integrator. So one of the great things about NetSuite is you'll get someone 24/365, normally in a 2-hour callback as it goes through. So that's great support. And when you get very technical questions, there's someone there who'll help you out.
But why would a client of ours call NetSuite directly?
Because for a lot of the time, the goal that we have is that this becomes the business's system. So they don't need an IT infrastructure necessarily out of the box, right? Once it's set up, it should pretty much run itself without a great deal of having to have an IT department.
But if somebody does want support and they don't want to call Oracle, they don't want to call NetSuite, we offer a solution.
Absolutely. So we offer differing levels of support. So you're able to, there's a once-off report you need written, or there's something that, when NetSuite just won't do, you can give us a call, we'll take the call, and we'll help you out and get that fixed on an hourly basis.
Right.
For companies that have an ongoing need of where they'll want reports customized, or as we talked about, they're on that journey to optimize their processes, so they might want to have their scripts updated or new scripts written, then we can offer a monthly support. Now, the nice thing is our support, again, is based around the world, so we can provide it when they need it, but at a very good price point. So it's attractive with teams that they know. So
that's the key, and that's what I was really hoping to get at also, is that you're not just calling NetSuite and getting some random person. There is an opportunity to work with us, to actually have somebody they're going to get somebody that's part of our company, our organization, that can help them, but they also know that we're there, that we're part of it, that they're calling somebody that they know, like, and trust, even if they don't know the person they're speaking to. It's still a boutique family feel, like it's that ownership we talked about, and you're not just calling somebody who has no idea who you are and doesn't have any personal interest in your success. Yeah. With us, we need you to be successful. We deployed it, we integrated it, we designed it. You know us, and even though we've moved on, so to speak, from the implementation, like, you can call us and we'll support you, and like, we actually care about you.
And I think that's something that's so important, because you don't want to be a number. This is visceral. This is about how your business operates, and you need to know you can phone a friend, and you need
somebody
to know that friend that's trusted. They're going to show up, and it'll go right across the company that we will get that problem solved and addressed. And that's, again, why do people change? because they can't sleep at night, because their business is on fire somehow. There's something not working. And then Murphy's Law, and as Irish I get to say it, Murphy's Law does kick you in the head. You need to know somebody's got your back. I think that's the difference that we have.
Hey, thank you so much for enjoying this video. I have a quick message about NetSuite. Every firm that's come to us for guidance has totally transformed their business with NetSuite. So if you're in professional services, maybe you're in healthcare, manufacturing, could be that you're in warehousing, maybe you have an accounting firm or a law firm, could be you're in private equity, doing M&A, maybe you have a business that has multiple locations, or really it could be a wide variety of other industries. NetSuite solves so many of the business problems that you're facing. One major issue right now is QuickBooks Desktop. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, which is going end of life, and you're ready to make a change, NetSuite will definitely solve that problem. Also, if you already have NetSuite, but you're frustrated or maybe you're disappointed with the level of service you're getting, with the outcomes that you're getting, with the productivity that you expect that you should be getting, you should definitely reach out to me, okay? Our clients consistently tell us that they feel way more confident and they see a lot more reliability and way better outcomes and productivity, not to mention 40 to 70% savings on NetSuite licensing. So we're here for you. Also, we'll help you determine if NetSuite is the actual right fit for you, and we'll provide expert support. So don't wait. Use the form below, schedule a free consultation with me, and let's see how NetSuite can transform your business. Now back to the video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.